Hi, my name is Melanie Rose, and this is my calculator app for Art 337R. These are the sketches that I started out with. I wanted my app to be able to help people with a budget and to know where their money goes every month. So I decided to name it Piggy Bank. It has a page that has a budget and it shows where your money's going, and then it has another page that shows different things that you do with your money, like how much cash you have, how much you have in your credit cards, loans, investments, savings, and bills. So that's the third page in the app. The fourth page shows all the bills that you have every month, and the last page is where your savings goes. These were my rough draft sketches at first. And then we moved on to wireframes, and the wireframes show more of what the app would look like laid out. These were the first 3 pages. Through user testing, I learned that I needed to add an extra page. The extra page isn't shown in the wireframes, but it is shown in my first draft. Here's the first draft of the first 3 pages of my app. The page that I learned I needed to add through user testing was the loan calculator. And I think that that will help people to be able to know if they can afford a car or a house. And the loan calculator will let them choose what kind of loan they need to pick. And now let's go through the finished app. Here's the home page with the logo. You click login and you have your login information. And after you're done logging in, it takes you to the May budget, or whatever month you're on. It'll tell you what month you're in. It shows a chart of where all of your money goes. And then if you click down at the bottom, you can go to financials. And then if you go to loan calculator, it'll take you to the loan calculator. And you have a back button here. But if you're in the loan calculator, you can get to the other pages from here too. So if you're on your bills page, each bill is clickable, and you can go into that bill and it will show you how much you've spent for the month and if you're staying on budget. So it will help you to know if you've gone over your budget or if you're staying within budget. And then if you click on savings down here, it'll take you and show you where you're at in your savings. And you can also add to your savings. I did have where you could subtract from it, but that kind of defeats the point of savings, so I left it where you could just add to it. So my goals for this were to design an app that was pleasing, that people wanted to use, and that was user-friendly. And I hope that I accomplished that. And I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.